What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, this has been requested a couple of times by everyone, so I'm gonna finally do it. Sorry, it's been a bit late, but I've had a million and a half things to do, and I've really been stressed out. But this is the tutorial on how to make stays, and it also covers another tutorial you guys have been asking for as well on how to convert stuff off sites like Sketchfab to GTA. So I'll kill two birds with one stone now and just do it all in one video. So let's just find a decent staircase. We want something simple. Whatever I use as well, guys, will be linked down in the video description, so you can just download it and go along with it. Is there anything up top? How many polys is this? Oh, that's pretty high poly for what we want it for. Yeah, let's just use this. Right. There. We have our little staircase by now. All we do, just go down to the downloads. Let me just find a folder to chuck it in. I've just called the tutorial Toot Stays. Same as always, raw, just so it cleans it up. And finally, textures. Oh, and tutorial underscore stays. Then we want to make a stream folder in here. Right, there, it's all set up. Now we want to go into raw. Save that in there. I must have already put it in there. Right. Export. So the file goes up just source. You want to export this as well. I don't know why they do it like this, but they do. I want to chuck these in there. And then that source file can get deleted. Because there's our textures. Make sure you have 3ds Max open and OpenIV. So what we want to do for a minute is drag. Oh, let me just close OpenIV. Drag and drop that in here, and it'll load in. Just place it in the middle. Make sure it's 0, 0, 0. Scale it to 100. That should be okay. Let me just chuck a model in for scale. Okay, I'll see how it looks now compared to these houses I made before. By the way, guys, just so you know as well, I know I've been a bit slow on the tutorials. I have got loads I need to get through. So you guys are going to have to bear with me because we've been building the new server and everything. So I've been overrun. So I am trying my best to get through you guys, but if you guys have any questions anyway, just go in the video description. There's a link to my Discord. Just join that, open a ticket, and I'll help you as soon as I can. I'm always willing to help anyone in the Discord anyway. God, I forgot how big this file is. There we go. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you want this, I currently got it up on my store. It's dev stuff. See? You got the suburban neighborhood. It's already got inbuilt collisions and everything. And I think I've only got it up for like 10 British pounds. So yeah, if you guys want to just mess around with stuff, all the collisions for but every collision is there. Just, oh shit. Let me just get this up. On the stairs, drag them here. How big are these motherfuckers? Yeah, I just made this so like you guys can like use it if you want. Don't have to credit me or anything. You can edit everything in there. I just thought make something for people to use. So let me just check. Yep, they're about right. Right, so let me just delete all this. Alright, put that back on 0, 0, 0. Right. Let's extend it upwards so the stairs are a bit bigger. So they look a bit more better. And now what we want to do is convert to poly. Ring around this, ring around this. Oh, it needs to be welded first. 0, 0, 1. Auto smooth. And now we can bring them down to here. There we go. Maybe knock that off and just move it forward a little bit. There. Right. Now we got a texture. So good thing is this would already be textured. So we just got to convert it. And we want bump map. We want bump spec. So we don't want to embed them actually, because we're going to make a YTD as well along with it. So textures, we want bump. And then we want the spec, which spec usually is white. And what we want to do is you want to click on that just to make sure it resets to that. Then just mess around with these settings. I only ever mess around with these, the spectre offset, because it makes it like that. And the spectre intensity. So I want to put it like really low because we don't want it shiny. Right, now they're done and they're looking quite nice. Now we want to clone. Copy. Call this OX1. This is going to be our collision. So we want to hide this. And we want to go into here. We want to go into multi. By the way, if this doesn't show up like this, guys, the material editor, and it shows up like that, then you can literally just click and hold, left mouse button, and just drag it down. And then you'll get this. So we want to go all the way to 1. Default collision mesh, and we'll pick, what is this? It's like a dirty wood, so we'll go with wood. Oh, keep at 0. No, say no, we can put it at 1. It won't make no difference. And then apply that. Now we need to make sure everything's showing up as ID1, which it is. Let me just double check. There we go. And there. Now we need to name this stairs underscore tutorial. If I can spell, copy that name, and then we want to add underscore hi. Now create object and model. Make sure that the actual model itself is done, and then you click game mesh. Then you click model. Click anywhere on the screen so it goes to center 0, 0, 0. That's why we copied the name, because you want to put it in here. Drag that up there. Now this one, we want to go to collision mesh. We want this 0, 2. And we want this map animal, dynamic, stairs, weapon, vehicle. You don't want a map cover because, I mean, you can if you want, but it's not really any point. I mean, who the fuck's going to be, who the hell's going to be walking and crouching on stairs? Oh, if this happens and the composite doesn't go in the right place, you just right click on these arrows and it sends it to 0, 0, 0. And then we want to call this the same name as this. So the call composite is going to be the same name as the GIMS V model. And then you want to just drag this OX1 in there and drag this whole thing in there. That is it for now with this. So we want to export. And in this folder, tutorial stairs, no, exports. Put it in there. Should export pretty fast. And now we want to go into here, mods. Ignore all my files, guys. Update, x64, DLC, new MLO. Oh, by the way, guys, if you haven't got your mods folder as well set up correctly, send me a DM in Discord or open a ticket in my Discord, and I'll be happy to send you how I've got mine basically done. Because I've got it sitting on my desktop, just waiting for people, because I know a few people have asked me. Right, tutorial. Stairs. And then we want to basically drag this in here. See, there's our collision. And there won't be anything, like, there won't be any textures on here because we got to define a YTD. So let's make a YTD and call it stairs underscore tutorial. And then all of them textures then we add in raw. Well, the ones we use, so it was that one, and that one. I want to drag them in there. And then to make them more high quality, what you do is where it says MIP map, to make them come out really good in game, you want to properties and just change all of these to 1. It's the same with liveries. It's the same with clothing. If you want them to come out more detailed in game, it's bitmap 1. From what I understand, anyway, that's how it goes. I mean, it worked on the liveries and some clothing that I did. See, so now means so we got that YTD. There you go. There. Now we go into Y-type creator. Create Y-type. Embedded collision. And we want to just copy the name of the YTD, put it in there. Open. Make sure we're in our exports folder so we can just search straight for it. Open. There. Calculate. BP min max. Close. Import BPs. And then just name this models for the object RPF. Flags, we want 32. LOD distance 100, 200 for the HD texture distance 100, LOD distance 200. And let's give it a custom name as well. So everything will be named the same. Created. Okay. Now we search for that, find it, and we just drag that in here. And that's basically it. That's how you make states and also how you convert stuff. Now let's test it in game. So let's minimize 3ds Max. It's more or less that easy, guys. But if you do get stuck, you can always join my Discord anyway. I'm happy to help. If I can help, I will. If I have the time, I will. Just drag them into your stream folder we created earlier. And make sure you copy the address of the box of the stream folder as well. So for me, it's F drive. And we want to create new YMap. Stairs underscore tutorial. If you can spell jar. Add entity. There's our stairs in game. There, so we can see a bit better. Knock these two on. Right, let's just place a little. Do we place a little legion? Yeah. Ignore my legion, guys. I've got a few extra bits on it. So actually, let's go. Now let's go on top of this building. So what's the coordinate for that? Just paste the same coordinate up there, and it'll turn up at the same place. There. Yeah, them stairs look alright. Maybe if we rotate them, they can get us up on this ledge. There. Now what we do, calculate flags, calculate extents, save. Oh, this is why you need to copy this stream folder address, because you're going to need to put it in here. Save it. Tools. Manifest. Generate. There. Save. Now we can test it out in game. You also need a blank resource in there as well. So you want a blank resource in here. I've also got a blank resource in my Discord as well, guys, for you just to use. Dev server. No. Resources. Then we want maps. Tutorial stays. Now I just need to go on 185. Sign into here. Restart server. Now we got to check to see if the resource started okay. By the way, if you guys are enjoying these tutorials, make sure you do subscribe if you're new. Smash the like button and just put a comment down on what you'd like to see next. Because it helps push these videos through the YouTube algorithm. Yep, stairs tutorial up there. Right, so now we go into it. Assuming this has all worked. It should do. I fucking hate this default QB intro. Right. Let's pick a character. Let's go to Lagon. Just go away from that because that's a secret project. That's the only place I could go that wasn't like secret. There we go. Our stairs are here. And if we did it right, there you go. There's your stairs. And that is how you build stairs, guys, in GTA. And convert some in from Sketchfab. See? That's how you can also convert stuff from Sketchfab to GTA. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash a like on the video. Comment down below on future stuff you want to see me do. I'm going to try and get a pool one out soon because I've noticed nobody's doing pool ones. Like how to make a pool. And yeah, I've just figured it out. So like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.